this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your BlackBull Market accounts to TradingView. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then you'll need to go up to blackbull.com and then log into your account. From here, once you're inside of the dashboard, it should look something like this. And here you'll need to go down to trading platforms inside the menu. And then from here, you'll see a list of every single trading platform that BlackBull offers. From here, you'll need to find TradingView over here, and then need to go down to download links, and then click on this little icon down here. Once you've done that, you will see this page right here from tradingview.com/broker/BlackBull Markets. Then from here, you'll need to go down to click trade over here, and then it will pop into TradingView like so. And then from here, you'll get a pop-up message if you want to connect BlackBull Markets to your TradingView account. And once you do that, you'll need to click connect. And then from here, you'll simply need to log into your BlackBull Market account again, and then you'll need to click connect with TradingView. Once you've done that, you'll need to go over to TradingView again, and then you'll see over here this should be green and say connected, and then you can just close this down, and now you will be connected with BlackBull Market to TradingView. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!